Hello, and welcome back to our series Golden Habits for Healthy Aging, created for older adults in the US who wish to stay active and healthy. Today's focus, water and hydration habits, a topic often overlooked but crucial for maintaining energy, supporting heart health, and aiding digestion. Whether you're in your 60s, 70s, or beyond, drinking enough water is key to feeling your best. Let's explore practical ways to stay hydrated throughout the day. Where are you watching from? Let us know below. As we age, our thirst mechanism weakens, meaning we might not realize we're dehydrated. Water regulates body temperature, lubricates joints, and helps flush out toxins. Without enough fluids, seniors can experience fatigue, confusion, or even urinary tract infections. Staying well hydrated can also keep blood pressure stable and improve kidney function. Let's see how to build a consistent hydration habit. Do you feel you drink enough water daily? Share your thoughts. A general guideline is around 6 to 8 cups, 1.5 to 2 liters, of water daily, but individual needs vary based on activity level, climate, and medications. Check your urine color. It should be light yellow, not dark. Some people prefer sipping water steadily, while others drink larger amounts at meals. Whatever your method, consistency is crucial to avoid dehydration. Do you track your water intake? Let us know your method. Sugary beverages, like soda or sweet tea, can spike blood sugar and contribute to weight gain. Instead, opt for water infused with fruit slices or herbs for natural flavor. Low-sugar options like unsweetened iced tea or sparkling water with lemon can be refreshing. Reducing sugary drinks is essential for heart health and managing conditions like diabetes. Which sugary drink do you find hardest to give up? Tell us. Many fruits and vegetables, like cucumbers, watermelon, oranges, contain high water content. Including these in your meals aids hydration, especially if you tend to forget drinking water. Soups, broths, or stews are also an excellent source of fluid. Just be mindful of salt content if you have hypertension. Do you enjoy water-rich fruits? Share your favorite. Many seniors take daily medications. It's essential to swallow pills with enough water to aid absorption and prevent pills from getting stuck in the throat. Check if your medicine requires extra fluid or if there are any fluid restrictions. Always follow your doctor's or pharmacist's advice for optimal results. Have you ever had trouble swallowing pills? Let us know. Drinking too much water right before bed can cause frequent nighttime urination, disturbing sleep. Aim to finish most of your fluid intake by early evening. If you do get thirsty at night, a small sip is fine. But balancing hydration with uninterrupted rest is essential for seniors' overall health. Do you wake up often at night for the bathroom? Let us know below. Signs include dry mouth, dizziness, fatigue, dark urine, or fewer bathroom trips. If you notice these, increase your water intake gradually. Drinking too much at once can strain the kidneys. You can also include an electrolyte beverage if you've been sweating a lot. But be cautious with sugar or sodium content, especially if you have blood pressure issues. Have you experienced dehydration before? How did you fix it? If you often forget to drink, set alarms on your phone or place a water bottle in visible areas. Mark a water bottle with time goals, e.g., 10 a.m., noon, 2 p.m., to pace yourself. Some seniors like to link water intake with daily tasks, like drinking a glass when taking medications or after each meal. Consistency is key. What's your go-to method to remember water intake? We've explored water and hydration habits in our Golden Habits for Healthy Aging series, from daily water goals and reducing sugary drinks to balancing nighttime intake. Proper hydration supports energy, organ function, and overall health for seniors. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Join us next time for another key step in healthy aging. Keep sipping water, and see you soon. Which hydration tip will you try first? Let us know below.